Thank you so much.
Reyna Mano. Reyna na. Reyna na.
Depends po.
Okay. Sige, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Ayan. Una pa lang yan. Feel na natin ang ating contest. Okay? So ngayon, let's go on our second contestant. This time, we have a lady. A lady. Where is she? Her name is Raquel Cañete. Ay, si ate pala! Nagbabalik si ate! Yan, yan. Ganun talaga. Sabi nga, quitters don't win. Winners never quit. Ayan. Ayan. Handa-handa kay ate na yan. Na-miss ko yung mga ganun mo eh. Sige. Ngayon kaya, ano kayong bagong action natin? Sige. Ano ka ang tayo nila naman?
Will you tell me that you love me? Popularized by Diana Ross.
Idol Miss Diana Ross.
Yes.
Next time yung buhok niya, pwede niyo. Time ko talaga yung yung mga dress mo. Kasi last na pera, tapos ka dito, mali yung sapatos. Ngayon, higa ka siya ang Okay, so ngayon, ate, kanina naman dinedicate yung kanta na when you tell me that you love me.
I want to dedicate this song to my very best friend. He's an inspiration, a very good guy from Pakistan. I can't connect. This is William Guy.
Where is he?
He's not around me in Pakistan, but he's my best friend. He's always talking to me.
Wow, sana nakikinig siya ngayon.
I'm gonna sing in my video.
Okay, yes. Yan, ganyan. Okay, sige, palakpakan po natin ang ating contestant, Miss Raquel Cañete. How do you feel after yung kanta? Ano na yung gawin natin?
I'm proud. I still proud because at least we know that really the Filipino is the best singers in the world.
Yes! Pag nakikita nila, naalala ko si Jessica Sanchez. So, anyway, sige, this time, again, we need some comments from our judges. Okay, so let's start with Ate. Ate, what's your comment?
Kasi mukhang nag-develop ka na ate. Iba yung hairdo niya, ang kakaraan niya pa lang. Pero ngayon, fully develop na siya, pati yung voice mo, mataas na mataas na.
Thank you.
And our friend, Sandy.
Like you said before, you sing for your friend. If your friend hear your sing song, I think your friend in Pakistan not will be best friend, will be close, more close friend. Little like it.
And lastly, our friend Vicky.
Thank you. We started very well, but the last part of the this last part was like maybe the rhythm actually. Because of that, you must see from. But the beginning part was very good, very nice, and you actually chosen a tough song. It's really difficult to sing. But still, you try and do well actually. Thank you. Take care of Kevin. Thank you.
It's really a tough song, Ate, but you made it. Yeah, sige, congratulations. Okay. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yun. Nga pala, ang prizes ng magiging winner natin, our weekly winners will receive 300 ringgit gift certificate and